Welcome to Ask AutoTrader, where we answer your burning questions. In studio with me today, my old buddy Martin Pretorius. Martin, welcome.
Hello, Lawrence.
Oh, great. All right, so we've received a question from one of our viewers wanting to know what are the best replacement airbags that you can buy?
Well, the best replacement airbags, short and sweet, are the ones you get from the agents. OEM, because that's a very highly specialized piece of equipment and it's designed for a specific car. So the only way to get that one is from the agent. Now, there are aftermarket service providers specializing in airbag replacements as well. If they're accredited, if they're a reputable workshop, you can have them have a look at it. But first choice would still be the agents. Yeah.
Now, there has been a little bit of controversy about a certain Japanese airbag manufacturer that has been they have been the center of a number of automotive recalls that we've seen over the last year.
Millions of cars.
So I would think it's safe to say that you can get an airbag from anybody, from any OEM, as long as it's not made by those guys.
Yeah, those guys named Takata.
Yeah, stay away.
Stay away, be careful.
So, in short, if you are at a point where you need to replace an airbag, and we really don't suggest that you do, rather go and get it from the OEM. And if you're going to be buying it from the OEM, have them fit it.
Correct.
All right, so there you go, folks. Your burning questions answered. Now, if you have got a question of your own, feel free to drop by the AutoTrader website, go to the Ask AutoTrader icon, submit your question, and you might just see it in an upcoming episode.